Okay, so I got everything right and I'm all proud of myself. So you're probably wondering, okay, what happens now? What happens now? That's a very good question. And here's what you have to understand. First of all, remember that 100% of all initial market reactions are wrong. Okay, I'm not even going to say 99%. I'm not even going to say 99.9%. 100% of all market reactions are wrong because pretty much 100% of the people out there are out of paradigm. In other words, they really have a false or a flawed understanding of the monetary system. So, what does that mean? Today, they look at that weak jobs number, which I forecast, and now they're selling the dollar and they're selling stocks. Okay, now in the case of the dollar, I have to say that move down is correct. And you might say, well, you just contradicted, Mike, what you just said. Let me explain. I didn't contradict what I just said. They're selling the dollar for the wrong reasons, but I should say that the dollar was up in the last 3 weeks for the wrong reasons. So this just gets the dollar back on track to where it should be, reflecting the fact that government spending in the United States has been increasing all this fiscal year. The deficit is increasing now for the first time in 6 years. It's all dollar bearish. So this dollar rally that we had in the last 3 weeks, which was the wrong reaction by traders because they were thinking that there was going to be a Fed rate hike, today just puts the dollar back on its correct path. So yes, they're selling, but they're selling for the wrong reasons, but that's okay because we want the dollar down and we were short the dollar. Okay, so we're all making money. I'm getting emails from a lot of you who have been MMT+Trader subscribers saying, thanks, Mike. I just made 100 pips or 200 pips or 50 pips or whatever. Everybody's very happy, and I'm very happy for you. Okay. Now, as far as, and we're getting a rally in treasuries, which I said yesterday in my note as well. You got to sell into this, okay? This is, again, the wrong reaction. Spending is strong. What is happening with the employment data, which I predicted, okay, is a temporary thing, which I also predicted. It's going to go back to normal. It's the Verizon strike. It's the IBM layoffs. Stuff like that. The spending is strong. So you got to sell this bond rally. Okay? If you're long the TBT, that inverse treasury ETF, put some more on here today. Okay? Next, the selling of the stocks. That is wrong again. Now, they're selling it this time. It's interesting because they're selling it based on the view of a weak economy. And yes, in the past couple of weeks, we have seen some problems with the employment-related fiscal flows, which I told you about. Okay, I was the only one. Nobody, again, I'm going to keep saying that I'm the only one. I told you this was happening. However, I'll repeat this again, government spending is strong. This stuff will be corrected and the stock market will stabilize and it'll go back up. And yes, we are going to make new highs. So all of this, and by the way, in my note yesterday, I said treasuries are going to rally. I said dollar's going to go down. I said that the stock market, depending on how weak the number was, stock market could either take it with a grain of salt or sell off. So it's selling off, but it's not the end. It's not the beginning of a crash or anything else like that. So you cockroaches, if you're running around right now, enjoy it while it lasts because it's not going to last very long. All right, I got other things to do. I already did 3 of these videos. Sign up. Some of you now are listening to me. You're starting to sign up. Sign up for the MMT+Trader report. You get 4 weeks of this, you get 30 days of this, you start to get into the rhythm of how the analysis works. It's very important. I mean, you listen to me here, yes, but you also have to read it and look at the graphs to start to build a knowledge base about this. I cannot you know, I cannot overemphasize how important it is to have that report. You know, that builds your knowledge base, your understanding level. You won't need me holding your hand all the time with these videos if you have that. Bye.